That's mom. Mom or dad? He's upset because the dogs were outside. She knows, or he knows, the baby is there. He cried out to him already, or to her. See? The baby's chirping to him, to her. It's so cute. She's right there. The only thing I'm scared is if I leave, he's gonna jump out, and I don't want him jumping out. Because that's what happened to him. He came out of his nest, and she's gonna go get a berry, well, a seed, a fruit seed from in there, and then she's gonna bring it back and feed the baby. Here she comes. There she is. She got berries in her mouth. Tries to find a way to get in, because she's scared to get in. She doesn't want to get trapped. But she already fed the baby 2 times, so she just has to find a way to go in. There she goes. And she fed him, and she's gone.